Still working on
Dog. You leave some trash on the ground?
Yes. Yesterday's unboxing video that I realized I did not clearly state the safety rating for the jacket, so I did do it. I'm better than I thought. Alright, let's move some bikes out. Came out 7:45, get all the bikes out. Since Greg got here, I get all the bikes out first so he can work. Before, I'd sit at the computer and do, I don't know, important things. And now I get them all out so he can work, get him parts if he needs them so that he's like rolling for a little while. And then I'll go to the computer. I don't do the parts thing very well though. I will show you the absolute crapshoot that the parts department currently is. So in yesterday's video, and the one you just watched yesterday, maybe the day before, depends on how fast Dan's editing this week, I acted like these bikes outside were all I had in the shop. That's not the case. You've probably already seen footage of all the bikes parked. Some of them don't even like roll currently. Various stages of repair. 9 times out of 10 though, I feel like an hour has passed and it's actually been 2. So this is the part of getting Greg rolling. Get all the parts written down on the ticket. And as I'm pulling parts, I'm kind of making a mental note of whether or not I have enough of these things in stock. But I have like a lot of boxes of parts to go through, so I might actually have some of this stuff here. So I think I need to go through that first before I start ordering stuff. That's never been sound today. You know the drill. Shoes and ribbons over there. Tires sitting against the wood table. All that stuff over there. So, wheel bearings have been on back order for a while. So, I went a little bit ham on wheel bearing orders. So if we might need some wheel bearings, ABS or non, I have a few.
You don't have to have the shims in case we have to do wheel bearings in these?
Yeah, we good, bro. We good.
Okay, curious.
Maxwell's. Yes. Oh, no, hold on, man. How you doing? All right, sounds good, brother. All right, bye. Caught that how shop phone and cell phone rings at the exact same time every day. So my video's been out for almost an hour. I should probably check on it and make sure that nothing is like
I ain't forgot about you on them grips, man. I know you ordered some.
Yeah,
so I don't want you to be like, dude, this dude's dragging me out.
No, you're good, dude.
Y'all take it easy.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah.
What up, homie?
Look at that perfect timing. Check that out. Man.
Thanks, brother.
Dog didn't even get a chance to bark at him.
Yeah, man.
Poor thing.
You dropping off or hanging out? Dropping off. Sign here, sir. Thanks, bro. Ton of my time was spent with parts, more than I would have ever guessed. Inputting into the system, doing all that crap. Maxwell's. What's up, mate? All right, man. Bye. So, I've inputted half of the parts that came in the last week. And realizing I'm out of things, so I'm out of place an order. And then I'm kind of bored with the computer, so I'm gonna work on motorcycles now. Even though there's a ton of work to do. I have not put up anything though. So tomorrow when I need something, I'm gonna have to dig through some box because it's not hanging on a wall or anything. Greg, you haven't put yet? The music stuff. What the hell, man?
I don't know. You told me it's your freaking contraption.
Phone's ringing, dude.
Thank you, Donnie.
Maxwell's. Yeah, I mean, hopefully so. The 14s, depending on the manufacturer, it can be, you know, a little tricky. All right, thanks. Bye. How did it go? Stay, boy. Stay. Pro tip, this windshield doesn't work with these handlebars on a road ride. He's gonna need a new windshield, or he's gonna have to ride with these in his lap. Since this stays stationary and these move, they're gonna smack that, especially in his handguards. I already talked to somebody, he's pretty bummed.
So you're saying the Streak Light is clearly the better motorcycle? Understood.
Yeah, I see what you're trying to do. This is a starter.
That's right.
Yeah, so it can be done with this thing. I got it. Man, thank you. Couldn't figure out why yesterday's order was so expensive. Figured it out. So if you like Greg's shirt, they're available on the website. Just saying. Smells like onions.
He gave me 3 of them. I worked 2 of them 2 days in a row, and the 3rd one I put on that last day.
Yeah, so if you want to meet Greg, come on Friday. He's wearing a clean shirt that day. Yeah, I gotta get on those uniforms, man. I ain't caught him. Still. Hopefully you do like that back seat. So everything matches back there now. Much better. Yeah, good deal, man. Thanks for everything. All right. You give me a shout if you need anything.
I will.
Yeah, I'm not mad about, what's that, 3 out before lunch? Not how it used to work before Greg got here. I gotta find something for him to do. I guess I should probably check in some parts. Oh, okay. I hadn't totaled it up yet. I'm about to go ride it and then I'll total it up. You're not coming till Friday though? Okay. Yeah, I'll be giving you a shout here in a bit. I got a couple of them out there to ride. All right, man. Later. How did it go on there?
It's in there, dude.
Yeah?
Hells yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go for a quick spin while you're still doing that. On the Thunder Beacher. Check that rear tread up for me and give me a number, please. You know what? This works on the other side though, right?
Yeah, it works over there.
Great, now you broke the other one, Greg.
See, there for a second it'll.
Yeah,
Okay.
3 normal flashes and then a fast flash.
Now it's working.
Cool. Sorry I didn't do this earlier.
What the fuck did you do? That's not, no, don't be fucking.
That's what I do, man.
No.
How's it going, man?
Come on in.
How you been,
dude?
Good, man. I just dropped by to see the place, man.
I hear you.
Yeah, good to see you doing well, man.
Yeah, come on in and check the shop out, man.
Yeah, this is good, man. So everything's been busy, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
How long does it take to put something like that on?
Sometimes it takes 30 minutes, not 6:45. Still running a stock head pipe?
Yeah.
No, I'm actually.
Well, stockhead, yeah, but I have
Okay.
a slip on.
Yeah, so hopefully not too bad. You want to clean that with PJ and compressed air, and then check torque on those breather bolts for me, and I'll just write down that that's what you did, so I actually remember, because I probably won't.
Hey, y'all.
What's up, brother? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, you working hard over there?
Yeah, I just got back from the sewer plant.
On one hand, it feels like it should be Wednesday by now, but then it also feels like it should be 10:30 in the morning. Not really sure how I can feel that way at the same time, but you just have to experience it to understand. Not a whole lot, man. Just got your bike on the lift and got everything fixed. But you do need some tires, man. Since you're going out of town, especially, I wouldn't take it on a road trip without a new rear tire. Okay, we'll do. I'll get we'll get you 2 tires on it in the near future then. All right, sounds good, man. All right, bye. Oh, what's up, man? No, you're good. Okay, let's go. I'll look at it in the parking lot and we'll see what. I got tried rear pads in, and I really don't think that's the problem. If it is the problem, I don't have any rear pads for your bike. All right, man, you in there.
Ride in the middle of May. When you gonna put an ad in or a thing on YouTube for another mechanic?
Oh.
That will allow John to sit in his office with his feet up making YouTube videos.
Office manager, that's what's next. And then I'll be good. We'll be rolling then. All right, we'll see you, buddy. The fairing is actually easy. I was concerned about it. It's pretty sick, dude. Did you look at this? Bro, OG Harley Davidson with quick releases.
As soon as he took it in fifth gear and started getting on it, it just died on his face.
Bro, you got enough saddleman washers for a lifetime. So
Yeah, you can keep them in the bottom.
All right, I'll find something. Be a little while, but I can make that happen. What do you do all day? I'm talking on the phone. What do you do? That's smart. I really like the tools you make out of things laying around the shop. Yeah, I do. It's 385.24. All right. Yes, ma'am.
Coming down the street either. Yeah. It's stupid. Those stock bikes are so quiet, like.
Exactly. It's like it's pretty Honda Civics that want that.
Yeah, yeah.
See you Monday, man.
You too.
Thank you, guys. See you, man.
It's definitely worth
You got Jack's, right?
Yeah.
That's where you headed? Yeah, that's gonna be cool.
Yeah, I got some good friends down there I stay with.
Before you do grips and levers, because if you take all this apart,
Well,
that's
but
the time to snip that.
I'll let you call me in the morning.
All right. just gonna tell you about the rest of my day because it ain't over, but it's 6:20. All the bikes are in. So in yesterday's, or in the video earlier this week, see if Dan gets this thing done by tomorrow. I don't expect him to. I wouldn't if I were in charge of this. So this is the shop. Show them this chaos, because yesterday I acted like I had like 8 bikes here. That's not the case. We got 24 yesterday, 25 today probably, I think. Yeah, 6:20, bikes are in. Gotta go home, get my daughter, go to soccer field. I'll be there until about 9. Tonight I'm probably not coming back because last night I stayed till 1. About 3 nights a week I stayed till 10 or later. And we got a lot of parts in again today that did not get put up or put into the system. So yeah, pretty much leave every day behind schedule. And we do it all again tomorrow. So that's why I don't see videos from me until Dan shows up.